crackling popping candy, as you can tell it's been opened already, is to put on top of your ice cream. Now, in terms of popping candy, this one is up there. It is explosive. I haven't tried it before. So as you can see, it's bigger than this. That's what she said. Oh, wow. So I've gone from, you know, the foot that we did with the popping candy, from that to the popping candy, which is probably why I was like, it's not popping.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah, it's intense.
Oh! Popping out of my mouth.
Yeah, it's intense. If you want something that really pops and crackles.
Wow.
Yeah. You like it?
It's good. Good pop. Once you pop, you can't stop.
That's Pringles.